Hi, in today's video, I will speak a little bit about motivation with your animal art. You know, everybody knows that sometimes you feel stuck with your artwork, or you think you are not good enough, or you are at that point that you would like to give up. With this video, I would like to give you some tips and tricks that might help you to overcome that point and to keep going with your animal art, because it's so important to move forward. So have fun and enjoy watching. Do you love to draw animals? Drawing is a fun way to show how much you love animals and how you see them. Sometimes, though, it can be hard to keep drawing, especially when you feel stuck or think your art isn't good enough. But don't worry, everyone feels that way sometimes. It's completely normal to have ups and downs. The important thing is to not give up. Drawing is a way to express your feelings and share your unique view of the world. Here's why you should keep going and how to stay excited about your art. Drawing makes you happy. When you draw, your brain gets happy. It's like when you play your favorite game or eat your favorite food. Drawing can make any day better because it's fun and lets you create something with your own hands. Seeing your finished artwork can give you a big sense of accomplishment. Drawing animals can bring so much joy into your life. Practice is the key. The more you draw, the better you get. It's just like learning to ride a bike or play a new game. At first, it might be tricky, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Every drawing you do helps you improve. You'll learn new skills, figure out what works best for you, and discover your own style. And remember, every great artist started somewhere, and they got better by practicing, just like you. Share your love for animals. Drawing animals lets you show others how amazing and beautiful they are. Your art can help people see animals in a new way and maybe even help them love and protect animals more. You have the power to make a difference through your art. When you draw animals with care and attention, you're not just making art, you're also speaking up for animals and nature. It's okay to make mistakes. Remember, every artist makes mistakes. Mistakes are just steps to getting better. Instead of getting upset, think of them as learning chances. Each mistake is helping you grow. You might find a new idea or technique because of a mistake, so embrace them and keep going. They are proof that you're trying and learning. Be proud of your work. Every piece of art you make is special because you made it. Be proud of what you create, even if it's not perfect. Your art is a piece of your heart, and that's what makes it beautiful. Sharing your art with others can be scary, but it is also a way to connect with people. You might be surprised at how much others appreciate your work. Explore different animals. Trying to draw different kinds of animals can be really exciting. Each one has unique features like the fur of a lion or the feathers of an owl or the scales of a fish, for example. Exploring these details can teach you a lot and keep your drawings interesting. This variety can spark new ideas and keep your passion for drawing alive. Plus, you might discover a new favorite animal to draw. Use colors boldly. Colors can bring your animal drawings to life. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors. You might discover new shades that perfectly capture an animal's essence. Playing with colors can also help you express emotions in your art, whether you use bright, bold colors or soft, subtle shades. Each choice you make adds depth to your drawings. Learn from others. Look at how other artists draw the animals. You can learn new techniques and find inspiration in their work. Maybe you will see a way to draw something that you never thought of before. Art is a shared journey, and there's so much we can learn from each other. Don't be afraid to ask for tips or feedback. I also have a drawing membership, my Animal Art Club, and I encourage my students there all the time to ask for feedback and get help. Most artists are happy to share what they know. So share and ask, that's very important. And here I have some staying motivated tips. Set small goals. Instead of thinking about a big project, break it down into smaller pieces. Small goals are easier to reach and feel great when you do. Celebrating these small victories can keep you motivated and excited to start the next piece. We do a lot of focus lessons inside of Animal Art Club, my online drawing school, and I also give my students mini motivation lessons. These are short 15 to 20 minutes lessons where they can get quick results. This really gets you motivated. Create a routine. Try to draw a little bit every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. A routine helps make drawing a normal part of your day. It's like making a little bit of time for a good friend. So plan that in, and over time you'll see how much you will improve. Look for inspiration. Nature, books, and even your own pets can give you great ideas. Keep your eyes open for anything that sparks your imagination. Inspiration is everywhere, and sometimes the smallest things can inspire the most beautiful art. Join a community. Being part of a group like our membership Animal Art Club can help a lot. You'll meet people who love drawing just like you. You can share ideas, get advice, and make new friends. It's encouraging to know you're not alone in your animal art journey. So in Animal Art Club, my membership, there are so many like-minded people like you, and it's so important to join a community and have that accountability. Celebrate your progress. Take time to look back at your older drawings and see how far you have come. This can be a big motivation boost. Seeing your progress can remind you of how much you've learned and grown as an artist. Remember, drawing is a personal journey, not a competition. Embrace each moment, cherish your progress, and continue to share your unique gift of animal art with the world. Your passion and dedication are truly inspiring, so keep spreading the joy and beauty of animals through your artwork. So remember, drawing animals is a personal journey. It is not a competition. Embrace each moment and cherish your progress. Keep sharing your amazing art with the world. So your art is truly amazing and unique, so don't stop it. Keep drawing and share the beauty and the uniqueness of animals with the world through your art. So I hope this was helpful for you and it gets you motivated again. And so if you feel stuck, then think about these words and maybe these words help you. I've spoken a little bit about my membership Animal Art Club in this video. I've mentioned our club. If you're interested, get more infos in the link below in the description. Okay, and then stay motivated or come back to motivation, and I hope I see you in the next video.